Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. New on the market is this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home. It is located in Spur, Manchester, and sits on 10,584 square feet of land. It is only 20 minutes from the town of Mandeville and is a short drive to Alligator Pond. This is the perfect place to retire and enjoy country living. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $142,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.